everyone. All right, we're going to do some candy corn nail art tonight in time for Halloween and fall.
Dun, dun, dun. Halloween.
You will see my special guest hand here tonight is Anthony. He's going to try to be still.
I'm sorry.
He has made a commitment tonight. He promises that he's going to stop biting his nails. Right?
Come on, Mom.
Right?
Yes.
We're going to stop biting them. We're going to take better care of them. So what we're going to do is we're going to get regular manicures, which I recommend
That looks
to
like
everyone.
The latex looks like blood right now.
I know, it's getting
Weird.
dry.
Weird,
So what we did before was we pushed his cuticles back just a little, and I trimmed any extra cuticle and skin that he had been biting. And then I lightly buffed the tips of his nails because you can see that they're puffy at the end.
Yeah.
That is from... I got it zoomed in.
Okay.
That is from biting your nails. So if anyone bites their nails, they know that what happens is the end of your finger will try to protect itself because it's exposed and it's not supposed to be exposed. And what it will do is it will build this callus and it will puff up. And if you're not careful, and if you continue to bite your nails, it will actually deform your nails and you will have very ugly fingers, and it is very hard to correct. So stop biting them. We're going to file them. We're going to keep them clean so that you don't feel the need to bite them, because whenever you have like a little rough edge, that's what happens. Right, buddy? Okay. So then what we did after we cleaned them and prepped them, we put on a base coat.
And then after the base coat we put on, that base
I
coat.
used Sachet Vide base coat.
Okay, so then after the base coat we put on some latex, or what is it called? I forgot. Latex?
Yep,
okay.
it's latex.
So if you ever get latex, here it is. It's right about here. Yeah. I don't know what it is, but it's pink, but when it dries, it looks like blood for some reason. I think that's cool for Halloween, because Halloween's like...
Well, what's nice about this is, so this is the latex, like the kind of glue that they use in Band-Aids and stuff. And what happens is I put it around the outside of your nail. It's going to dry. Have you ever put like Elmer's glue on your hand and let it dry, and then you can like peel it off like skin?
I've never done that.
Oh, well, so that's what this is going to do.
But I've never known... I didn't know that this used for Band-Aids. I never knew that.
Well, I'm allergic to latex, so I can't use like Band-Aids because it's like a long period of time. But luckily, when I put this on for my nails, it doesn't stay on very long, just while I'm painting them, and then I peel it off, and I'm usually okay.
Yeah.
But some people can be really allergic to this, so you want to be careful. That's why you can use Elmer's glue if you're allergic to this. But as soon as we're done, this is gonna peel off, just like one of those masks, those charcoal masks or something.
Those suck. If you guys ever try charcoal masks, be prepared. It might. Okay, some people think it's that hard because other people just do it. But if you ever watched like a video of a kid doing it, they scream. It hurts.
So what I'm gonna do first, after we, the reason I put on the latex was because your little nail end is so raw, and I don't want it on your skin. So we're gonna do yellow.
That looks
First.
fancy. Oh, it looks like an old zombie nail, doesn't it?
What do you mean?
Because of the latex, it looks like a zombie nail. Because of the latex looks like blood, and it's like a yellow nail. Wouldn't that look cool? You could put like clear in some spots.
Oh,
And
yeah.
that would look amazing.
We
for
could
like
try
a
that.
zombie nail sometime.
We could try that. So we let this dry a little bit. I recommend doing 2 coats of yellow so that you don't have lines or any...
Like bumps.
Well, yeah, you want it to be smooth, but you don't want it to be too sheer. See how, because you bite the end of your nail, it got on your skin there? Can you see that? That's why I put the latex on.
Okay.
So that we can peel it off and it won't look crazy.
I think it looks really neat right now. It's shiny, it's red, it's yellow. That's super cool.
See my nails? I
Yeah.
don't have to worry about the latex because I don't bite my fingers.
Ha 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 ha.
So I'm putting the yellow on my nails too right now.
So when we're done
Anthony
with
and I are
the,
going to be twins.
but when we're done with the yellow, what were we gonna do after it, Mom?
So
Think
next is
oh,
orange.
wait, no, I knew. Next, we're gonna let it dry for a couple minutes, like a minute or two, and when that's dry, we're gonna paint some orange on the bottom, and then we're gonna paint some yellow in the middle and white on the top.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna have candy corn nails.
But you can't eat them, right?
Yeah, you can. But on this one thing, like on this little page thing,
Okay.
this one person, I don't know who it
Page
was.
thing? What do you mean?
Like where you were looking up how to do it.
Oh.
This one person, she had really cool thick nails. Like
Those were fake. Those are
she had a
acrylics.
fake nail on,
I'll
and
set
she
your
made
hand
it
down.
sharp, so it looks like a real
Here, so
candy
because
corn
my nails are
nails.
wet too, we're going to do this carefully. I know. And now next we're going to get our brush real thin. Oh, I don't want it too much. I want it pretty flat. And you can go across this way if you want, if you are comfortable doing that. Or some people like to go down like this if you're able to match up a straight line. I prefer pulling. That is just my preference. But whatever makes it easy for you to get a straight line across is fine. Can we see that?
It looks like a Pokeball, like an Halloween Pokeball. If you added like a little dot, it would look amazing as a Pokeball. That'd
Your
be
nails
fun.
are still pretty wet.
I know.
I am.
I'm gonna take my hand off for a second and just blow on it.
Okay. That doesn't really help though. But if it
I'm just gonna look at it.
distracts you, then go for it.
Why did you get some? What do you mean?
Well, blowing on your nail doesn't help. So the only way to like dry nail polish is through
Oh,
chemical
sorry.
reaction.
Oh, my hair was in the camera.
Whether that is running it under hot water or cold water.
Yeah. So.
Yeah. Like you know.
Don't know any.
Oh yeah. I knew that. I knew that.
I'm just tired. I had a rough day of school today. We had so much to do. I had like 7 hours of school.
Oh yeah, life is so hard when you're 9 years old.
Huh? Especially in 3rd grade. I can't wait to go to 4th grade.
Pretty soon.
I hate 4th grade the best.
Stop whispering to the camera. Okay, so now we're gonna take this yellow and orange, and we just do a little tip of white.
Oh, I got a little baby candy corn.
And that's it. Candy corn nails are so easy.
I got a Pokeball candy
Anybody
corn.
could do it. Do it to it. All right, watch
It
Anthony.
would be amazing if I could find a thing of somebody doing a candy corn nail,
Look at this.
but in a Pokeball. That'd be fun.
We did Pokemon nails once.
No, I mean
We should
like
do it again.
they did a Halloween.
Can you see this?
That is so sick. I never knew that. That is so awesome.
And it just peels off.
Oh,
Look at that.
Oh, that's really an interesting
And then-
thing.
There.
Oh, it's still got on my skin.
Yeah, hold on. But it keeps most of your skin clean there. I have to just roll that off. That's a lot easier, huh, than
Yeah.
having to...
Especially if you're like trying to test it, you might wanna, if you're not allergic, you might wanna do it like if you're making a new design.
Or if you're not sure if you're allergic, you want to do a little test strip, too.
Yeah, and if you're like making a new design and it's your first time doing it, I suggest just putting on latex if you're not allergic. so it helps you to stay on the lines. Cause I don't know how to paint nails yet.
Are you gonna learn? Are we gonna practice?
Maybe, yeah, I guess. But I'm probably gonna go with latex every time since I'm not allergic to it. Cause I really don't want to mess up and get on my skin for a while.
Well,
So,
you want to
yeah.
be careful until we.
Yeah,
You
gotta
know.
try to be safe with the latex. Or
Mhm.
not with the latex.
With the paint, with the
Yeah,
polish.
with the paint.
Watch, and I'm going to touch it up with just some nail polish remover here on the end to get that off. Here, hold your hand still. Ready?
It's
And
cold.
just I know, doesn't it feel cold? It's so weird.
Feels like water getting dabbed onto me.
And then look how quickly it dries because it's
It's
acetone.
interesting.
It really cleans it up good, huh?
Yeah, it's
That's it. What do you think?
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
Is that cool?
Yeah.
And
It
that-
would be so cool if somebody actually made like a Pokeball out of out of a candy corn. I would be so amazed. I'll be like, oh my god, how did they do that? How did you do this? And if you do,
I see we didn't wait long enough. My nails are still wet too.
yeah. Well, if you don't, if you do,
So let's
this,
show them our final
Yeah.
product. And then we're gonna,
Ooh.
you should let it dry longer in between coats.
Yeah.
So take your time with this one and give yourself a little time to make sure each coat dries before you pull another color over it. And then let this dry completely and finish it off with your favorite top coat to save your design so that you can have it delicious all Halloween, right?
Nom.
Don't eat it.
I won't. But I'm saying, like, if
But
you
that's
guys,
it. We can't see. I can't see it. There it is.
if you guys ever find like somebody online, or if you do this, if you make a Pokeball out of a candy corn, I will be so amazed. Please.
Let's do
send it
Pokemon
to me.
nails next time.
Yeah, let's do that.
We could do a different type of Pokeball on each nail.
Yeah.
What do you think?
That would be fun.
What we have to look up all the different balls. Like what are they? The regular one.
Normal Pokeball, which is called Pokeball.
Mhm.
Master Ball.
Mega.
No, Mega.
Isn't there a Mega? Or
It's
no?
a Master Ball.
Is it? Oh, okay.
Master Ball.
There's a heavy ball, right?
Heavy Ball.
Mm-hmm.
Ultra Ball. And let's see. What was the
What's
other?
the blue one?
I forgot. But I think
Yeah.
the blue
Let's
one's a heavy ball, I think.
Okay. Well, let's do those
Wait,
next
I have
time.
one more. I have one
So
more.
we'll get a list of them.
A luxury ball.
Okay. We'll get a list of those and we'll do those next time. But this is it for today. Enjoy your candy corn nails. They will catch people's eyes and they're so easy, as you can see. So just have a wonderful week and as you prepare for the holiday. All right?
I just thought of something.
What?
I'm gonna have a candy corn in school.
Oh, yum. Okay. All right. We'll see everyone later.
See ya.
Bye.